think we can safely say that was the Sam Jones show, particularly in the first half there. You must be delighted.
Yeah, really happy. It's been a target of mine to get more goals this season. Playing a lot more forward. To be fair, this last two, the second two couldn't really miss. It was on the money, so yeah, happy.
Sam, mae wedi bod fel yna reit trwy'r tymor, dath mewn at y clwb tu yn Nadolig yn syth gath impact mawr. Heddi fi'n credu oedd yn haeddiannol bod wedi cael hat-trick a perfformiad arbennig o dda yn gyffredinol. Oedd yn cloi lawr defenders, oedd yn absolute nightmare i wario yn erbyn. So, mae'n heiddi pob glwr, mae agwedd wedi bod yn first class.
I just told them in the dressing room at the end of the game, I think the honeymoon period is over. I think they've gone in through pre-season and games of winning games, etc. And just up against clinical finishing. And I changed things I had to because certain players didn't perform. And we've seen second half the way they can perform. So I'm not going to turn around and say we got turned over because we did first half. However, we can play as we've shown second half, but we need to do it from the start.
O'n i'n frustrated iawn, gweitha'r sort of 4-0 win. Fi'n credu oedd elfen o'r gêm dylen ni fod lot yn well ynddo fe. A fwy consistent, i fod yn onest. O'n i ddim yn hapus ail hanner, y ffordd o'n i wedi wario. Fi'n credu perfformiad yn gofyn am pob wythnos. A'r ail hanner oedd safonau ni ddim cystal. Os ni moyn wneud rhywbeth yn y cyngor yma, ni moyn i'r cyngor yma i wella, mae rhaid i ni wneud pethau'n well. A just peidio mynd ymlaen trwy'r amser a bwrw'r bêl ymlaen. Mae rhaid i cadw fe cadw meddiant am sbeliau hir. A na'r rhan nesaf mae rhaid i ni wneud fel tîm neu grŵp o chwaraewyr mwyn gwella.